less foul trouble ngayon sa Team Uban.
Ayan na. Margario steals the ball. Binigay dito kay Labitag. His fourth point of the ball game. Itong si Mark Anthony Labitag. Hati. A running game. Labitag. Binigay kay Elpo sa ilalim. Ginugulo ng two defenders. And sabi ni Labitag, tama na kayo. Kami naman.
It's a no for them. Size up ng mayor ng Santa Magdalena, and of course there's still chance, no, kasi this is just their second outing. So kung matalo man sila dito, which is not yet the end, there's still a chance.
Yes, after that sequence, nakapat 3 points itong si Labitag, and shout out kay partner. He scored 13 big points sa isang quarter lang, partner. And yun na nga, naungusan niya itong si Ronel Santa Magdalena nung pumasok siya sa ating laro.